Welcome back to yet another episode of Planetarium, where we discuss space chronicles beyond Earth. NASA is constantly on the lookout for new planets and interstellar bodies, leading them to find some of the most extraordinary objects in space that simply go against all logic. Certain exoplanets exhibit distinct features such as a distinctive coloration on their surface or a particular chemical makeup in their atmosphere. Additionally, some of these exoplanets display enigmatic disc-shaped formations, which present a plethora of enigmas for scientists and astronomers to explore, investigate, and comprehend. Scientists have discovered a unique exoplanet called GJ504b, which is located 57 light-years away from Earth. This massive planet's size is comparable to Jupiter, but what sets it apart from other planets is its distinct pinkish hue. The unusual color of GJ504b has piqued the curiosity of scientists who are eager to unravel the mystery behind its radiance. GJ504b is thought to have formed a mere 160 million years ago. This planet is considered young and is currently undergoing transformation as its various features evolve. As it continues to lose heat, the planet emits a subdued magenta hue. Our universe is not only home to visually stunning planets, but also to a plethora of water-rich ones. One such exoplanet is GJ1214b, which resembles Neptune and is also known as the Water World. It has a mass of over 8 Earths and a radius of 0.24 times that of Jupiter. Despite its ample supply of water, this alien world is vastly different from our own, lacking a solid surface and possessing an atmosphere that contrasts significantly with Earth's. The planet's water exists in a peculiar plasma formed due to extreme pressure and heat, which behaves dissimilarly from water on our planet. Let us now talk about the exoplanets within the Cygnus constellation. There, about 650 light-years away, sits a scorching world, Kepler 70b. With a mass of only 0.44 times that of Earth, Kepler 70b is one of the hottest exoplanets known to date. Its star, Kepler 70, was once a significant star similar to our Sun. Roughly 18.5 million years ago, the star expanded into a red giant phase, resulting in its current state as a dead star with a hot iron core. According to scientists, Kepler 70b is slowly evaporating and reducing in size. This leads to the question of how hot the planet must be to undergo this process. The planet's temperature reaches a staggering 6,650 degrees Celsius, surpassing the 5,500 degrees Celsius temperature of our Sun. Approximately 640 light-years away from Earth, we find the searing exoplanet WASP-76b. One unique aspect of this planet is its permanent dark side. The precipitation on this planet takes the form of molten rain as temperatures reach a scorching 2,350 degrees Celsius, causing metals like iron to vaporize and rain down in a molten state. The day side of WASP-76b receives an immense amount of radiation, leading to an extreme difference in temperature with the dark side, which is exceptionally cold. As a result, the iron vapor present on the planet is transported by winds to the cooler side and falls as molten iron precipitation. Another marvelous yet unique planet found amidst space is the PSR J17191438b. It gained fame for its massive size. It is said to be 3,000 times. It has further been stated that only 1 teaspoon of this star's material would weigh billions of tons on Earth. The star also happens to be a millisecond pulsar that emits radiation every 5.4 milliseconds. The big question is, how is the planet so small yet so massive? This is because this exoplanet was once a star, and its outer layers were stripped away by a nearby pulsar, thus leaving the carbon remnant of a star to become a hard body that is 5 times the size of our planet. Space is full of weird exoplanets, and the WASP-107b is yet another example of it. It has the density of cotton candy, however its core is 4 times bigger than the Earth's core. WASP-107b has an incredibly low density and looks like a floating marshmallow in space. This planet was found while scientists were looking for a habitable planet. Though no one can live on WASP-107b, Gliese 581d does provide great hope in this regard. The Gliese 581d is 20 light-years from Earth and is in a habitable zone of its star. This has made experts speculate that the temperatures on this planet could be just right for humans to start afresh on. Due to Gliese 581d being tidally locked, one side of the planet is warmer than the other side. Due to carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere, the night times do not face freezing temperatures. It would take humans quite a while to adjust to the two sides of the planet that face opposite extremes in temperature. Thus, the best place where humans could reside would be the region of habitability, which is also known as the twilight zone. That is the zone that separates the day side of the planet from the night side of the planet, and the temperature here is normal. Next on our list is 2MASS J2126, a free-floating planet accompanied by its star, TYC 9486 9271. What sets this pair apart is their distance from the Sun, which is approximately 104 light-years, suggesting a connection between them. Upon further observation, it was discovered that the planet orbits its star at a distance of 1 trillion kilometers, approximately 7,000 times the distance between Earth and the Sun. This makes it the exoplanet with the largest orbital radius known to date. Completing a single orbit at this distance takes an incredible 900,000 Earth years. Now, let's get back to our solar system for a moment, where scientists have been trying to locate exomoons. Though they were not able to locate any, they, however, found the first ever clear evidence of a moon-forming disk that went around exoplanet PDS 70c. This observation was made using the ALMA telescope in Chile, through which the scientists were able to view this disk-like structure. Another magnificent exoplanet that has been found by the experts on Earth is the KOI 5AB. This planet is half the size of the Sun, and it belongs to the KOI 5 system. This system is a rare triple star system. This means that the planet revolves around star A, which has a close companion, star B. They revolve around each other every 3 decades. However, there is a third star involved that is gravitationally bound to these two stars. What makes things all the more fascinating is that it revolves around star A and star B every 4 centuries. Scientists speculate that these enigmatic worlds may have formed from the collision of gas and dust particles surrounding black holes. As a result, these planets would be positioned far from their supermassive black hole, resulting in incredibly long orbits lasting millions of years. Although the alien planets discovered thus far are incredibly unusual, the universe may contain even stranger celestial bodies. While the existence of planets remains theoretical, some scientists believe that they are indeed present in our universe. If so, these mysterious worlds would form from the collision of gas and dust particles surrounding black holes, and would evolve at great distance from the supermassive black holes, resulting in million-year-long orbits. The creativity of the universe knows no bounds, extending beyond just its vast distances. Astronomers continue to discover mind-boggling celestial objects that expand our understanding of the cosmos. It took years to discover all the planets in our solar system, and they continue to surprise us with their unique properties. Who knows what else we may discover about the 5,000 known exoplanets in the future? The possibilities are limitless. The search for these planets continues, and only time will reveal their existence. What are your thoughts on these unique exoplanets? Which of these exoplanets stood out to you and why?